Hi, tell me a little bit about who you are and what you've thought so far in your team about the Halo Red.
My name is Jens Lunde, and I'm the Danish team manager. And this spa area and the machines you have here has really helped our team and made this experience in Vancouver amazing, because it relieves a lot of pressure from my team staff, because a lot of our competitors, they use this area to relieve stress, relieve anxiety, they get massages. So my physiotherapist, he can work with severe injuries, or the more severe injuries, where this it just works miracles for the smaller injuries. Also, the psychologist has mentioned that they are not under the same amount of pressure with working from the veterans, because they benefit so much from this area. I tried the machine myself last night, and I have always had some sinus issues because of a broken nose in my previous days as a footballer, and for the first time in I think maybe 20 years, I was able to actually breathe in both my nostrils for an entire night, which is amazing.
Well, thank you. We're here to help you guys, so we're always thrilled to hear that kind of information. Thank you.
And I think, for the record, this should be repeated for the next games. This is